I'm going to go over now how to store your images. There are a couple ways you can do that. If you look in the top right hand corner, there's a little magnifying glass. Click on that magnifying glass, type in extended home. Icon should pop up that looks something like that. Double click it. It might take a few minutes, but in the right hand corner, two icons will pop up. One will have your student number, another one will say shared. If you go to the one with your student number, you can double click it, create a file with your class name, and then in that file you can store all the different assignments that we do. In this case we did an ugly assignment, that's what it's called. It doesn't really matter how you organize it, but as long as it's organized to you, that's what's important. And you can store things there. Second way I would store files, and probably the better way or easiest way so you can access it from anywhere, is to go to your Gmail account, then go on to Google Drive, and on Google Drive create different folders to save your photos or whatever it is that you're wanting to save. I would just create a file with the name of our class and then put all of your images from your desktop into that location. The reason I like this better is because you can access it from anywhere, that there's an internet connection, and you can save pretty much whatever you want on the SD account from Granite. There's like a ton of space.